254 Repair offers cell phone, computer, and tablet repairs. We carry screens for the most common models of cell phones. We are capable of repairing your iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, MacBook, and any other laptop. Most of our iPhone repairs take minutes or less. We strive to get your devices back to you as soon as possible. We carry a large inventory of computer screens, cell phone screens, and pretty much for any Samsung, Apple, and common laptop model in the market. We are capable of repairing charging ports on cell phones and tablets, even those that are soldered. All our repairs carry our 90-day warranty. Visit us at 254repair.com for more information.